Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Govee TV Backlight 3 lights. So if you're looking for a setup like mine, I'm running 2 floor lamps from Govee and then 1 Govee TV Backlight 3. I'll leave links to these down below in the description. But in order to fix your backlight, what I'll actually first do is show you my calibration settings. The calibration setting from the quick start guide via the app is actually pretty simple. It's the one where you add the orange squares to all the sides of the TV and then you just drag the dots. That's pretty self-explanatory, so everyone's done it, but usually people have trouble as far as it's still not working for them. What I actually did was I actually adjusted the angle of the camera after, because using these little tiny squares that you see here, I did it probably 5 times and calibrated it using the squares like numerous times, and it's what took me the longest to actually set these lights up. But what I actually ended up doing is, like, after the 5th calibration, I adjusted the inclination of this little tiny camera ever so slightly. So I tilted it upwards and then I tilted it a little bit downwards. And that's what finally allowed me to actually calibrate my lights correctly to the point where I'm very, very pleased with them. That's something I haven't seen be worked on before, because they tell you that the actual camera has to be at a 90-degree angle. I didn't do that. I actually tilted it upwards and downwards until I actually got everything to work all together. Now, in addition to that sort of physical calibration, the next thing you want to do is actually do a color calibration. You want to go ahead and access your Govee TV home app over here. And then afterwards, you want to go ahead and click on, you want to access your backlight over here. And then you want to click on color calibration. And then my white balance is set to 26%, the saturation is set to 50%, and then the brightness is set to 100%. Now, it varies from TV to TV. In order to do this, you want to pull up a completely blank white, pure white screen, okay? So just pull up any video and then go back to this color calibration and start adjusting the white balance until the backlight matches as white as possible to as close to the blank white screen. That is the key to getting really good colors on your screen. And so this is what I came out to. It's not perfect, but that I came out to 26% white balance and 50% saturation. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope this helps you fix your Govee TV backlights. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below.